Hi guys, it's Alik over here at beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard in Southern California, and the nice place of Chabad of Thousand Oaks. We welcome all of you here to visit our Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard anytime and enjoy the tour, enjoy the beauty of the nature, and of course we'll be able to do some tasting of the fruit as well. Okay, it's February 28, 2025. What a beautiful day today. Nice couple days, very warm weather, 80 degrees, which is probably 20-25 Celsius for past 3 days, and I really enjoy this time as well as my plants. I hear the spring already in the orchard. Lots of birds nesting inside the dragon fruit plants, and very soon we're gonna see lots of beautiful chicks chirping in my orchard. And as well, if you follow me guys on the news, we have a hummingbird Sapphire. She already have 2 babies feeding right now. They hatched just 3 days ago, and I'm so happy that we continue to share this joy of life and beauty of nature to all of you around the world. Okay, so today, as you can see, nice and green orchard. There's a still couple fruit that's still hanging on the plants, as well as over here. There's few varieties over there, but the main still mine Enigma. What's crazy, this plant is giving you fruit during the winter time. So it started probably like November, December, and I'm still harvesting few of the fruits over here. And we had the beautiful harvesting over here. See, huge place. So I'm gonna take those couple fruit. We'll do the Brix test as well during the winter time, and we'll see what's going on with the flavor. But what's interesting that this fruit is giving me right now a winter fruit. But when I got the original, it actually was a good summertime. Okay, so we're gonna grab right now couple fruit. One of them I already felt that it was a little bit overripe because I was traveling, just got back, and it feel a little bit mushy. But anyway, we got to take it down. And one above me, that the birds already start to taste this fruit. So we'll definitely do a Brix test on that one as well. Okay, sounds good. So let's get the first one. This one is over here, just in front of me, and I still have 2, 4, 6, 7, about 8 more fruit on this plant that are getting maturity and a little bit smaller size, but the color gets eventually to the red point which we needed to. I'm covering them with plastic during the week, and make sure the birds and rats will not get access to this fruit in order to damage it. So that's not what I want them to do. Okay, so here we go. So this is beautiful Enigma fruit, as you can see, nice and beautiful structure, nice colors, and we'll do the weight right now. So let's see what's the weight. The last one I checked, the maximum was 1.9. This one 1.48. So about 1 pound and 5 ounces. Let me check the 220 ounces, 590 grams. Okay, so 1.5 ounces, which is around 590 grams of the this fruit. Okay, so let's slice it and see this texture, see the structure, and the beauty. Hopefully the taste is still there. It's getting very dark. It shows me that yes, this fruit is over ripened. As you can see, the color is very dark color of this Enigma fruit. So I'll probably gonna keep it. I'll taste a little bit, and we'll do Brix, and I'll keep it for the seeds. If anybody is interested to get the seeds of Enigma plant, welcome. We're always happy to hear from you guys. If you'd like to request, and you can graft this. Oh my gosh, the color is amazing. The color is really amazing for this one. Okay, so let's do. Yeah, it looks like a jelly already to me. So not sure if I'm gonna be able to test. Let's do a Brix test. It's probably got dehydrated when it's overripened and jelly. Oh wow, the color of this is really dark. And here we go. Okay, where we at? Okay, we are at this point 12.95. 12.95. Okay, so for this fruit, and we'll just clean it out right now. I'll get another fruit, and we'll see what's the results for the next one. Okay, here we go. Let's clean the refractometer. And so far so good, and the orchard is good. You know, we're surviving through the winter time, and basically they still keep green. We're watering them once in a while, not very often, and I believe the time right now it's to give already fertilizers, and hopefully we'll start to feed them with the chicken manure, with the horse manure, and as well with the other ingredients that it needs to go to the soil. And we're happy to see lots of worms inside the containers. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one right now and see the difference. Okay, oh my god, yep, just gonna sprinkle the water over. Okay, this is very heavy. Okay, let's see if this was a little bit bigger. Yeah, of course, yeah. This is 1.8, yeah, 1.8 pounds, and 700 grams. Okay, 700 grams. Let's slice it, and let's see what's up here with the Brix test and the flavor. Different color, completely different color. So you can see between the ripe and overripe, and then this is perfect condition right now, perfect for tasting, perfect for eating. This is amazing, beautiful Enigma dragon fruit right now in the 28th of February, wintertime fruit. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Brix test, and I definitely would like to get a slice of this yummy fruit for tasting. Okay, here we go. Oh, let me just clean this one very fast. Okay, you guys put the comments, how's everything going with your orchard? If you do have any winter fruit during this time from like November to January, February. Oh wow, very juicy, very good. Let's start it. The refractometer, okay, 0, pushing forward. Okay, 16.10. 16.10, this good one for this fruit, and it's a good number, and I'm going to really enjoy it. Okay, just gonna get slices. Nice and beautiful. Look at the texture, very firm texture. I can scoop it very good. Very yummy, very unique flavor compared to all others, and I still enjoy the cherry taste of this beautiful Enigma fruit. Cheers, guys. This is like a really good portion to eat. What's good about this fruit? Look at this. We have almost a quarter inch of the skin. I can push the skin right now from the side of the fruit, and you can see how different. So it's good for transportation. Look at this. It's good for transportation. It's good for shelving. It will not damage this fruit, and the texture of this Enigma fruit is very strong and firm. So it's very good for commercial growing as well. Okay, so there's another set for the seeds. If somebody would like to order seeds for me, and if you guys would like to order cuttings. Very limited cuttings, very limited. I got so many calls from people around the world, you know, would like to have. I probably have maybe 2 or 3 left cuttings for the season, and we try to root the rest that we took 20. We start rooting with them as well. So that's going to be a good source as the rooted plants. But definitely we need a good springtime in order to see the new branches and rooting. Look at the color. Look at the color. Okay, so I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And thanks a lot for following up with me and updating and questions you asking. I'm very, very happy to hear from all of you. And again, greetings from my beautiful orchard. I'm just gonna walk through again through the aisles over here with this San Ignacio and Lisa, American Beauty, and Sugar Dragon is the #1 Sugar Dragon as a universal pollinator. This is my 3 beautiful containers that helps me to pollinate all the flowers, and I'm really happy that Sugar Dragon gives already flowers in May. In May gives flowers. As you can see, the continued new growth over here. So it's another 20-30 branches that gives me extra fruit, and as well as the pollen, and as well as the sharing cuttings and rooted plants with you. We have a nice AX over here, which I got from Cal Poly 3 years ago. Look at this long 4, 5 feet, 6 feet branches. It is amazing. So happy to hear from you guys. Thanks a lot. Alik, Nature with Alik Shulman, Dragon Fruit Orchard. We're welcome to all of you. We're open on Sunday, 8 to 1 p.m. And during the week, you can call me. My phone number is 323-547-1273. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Peace to the world. Love you all. Alik, Nature with Alik. Bye-bye.